Did you know that 90% of millionaires have multiple streams of income? How about achieving financial freedom with passive income? Passive income is becoming increasingly popular among investors looking for low-maintenance options. But what exactly is passive income? Generating passive income can be challenging. Many people face time constraints and complex investment choices. It's not always easy to find the right path. Let's dive into 5 low-maintenance investment options for generating passive income. First, real estate investment trusts, or REITs. Second, dividend stocks. Third, peer-to-peer lending. Fourth, rental properties. And fifth, creating digital products. Each of these options offers unique benefits and can help you achieve financial freedom. One standout investment option is dividend stocks. They offer exceptional returns and the potential for long-term growth. Imagine earning money while you sleep. To recap, we covered 5 investment options: REITs, dividend stocks, peer-to-peer lending, rental properties, and digital products. These options can provide passive income with minimal effort. What are your thoughts on passive income? Leave a comment below and check out our next video on investing strategies. Don't forget to subscribe.